subscribe Toolbox PD channel. Thank you.
Viewers, hope you guys are okay. So, welcome to Toolbox Bangladesh. Today, I'm introducing some important issues for Xiaomi Mobile, and I would like to dedicate this video those who are using Xiaomi. I would like to go in settings mode. In settings mode, go to about phone. Here you will see a lot of things regarding your handphone, like system update. Here you see there is an update for this version MIUI version 10.0.60. One system update, security patch, lock screen and status bar, notification bar, others. Restore screen went black when WhatsApp was opened for the first time. So here is a new update. And the second thing is device name, model number, Android version, Android security patch, MIUI version, and model name, CPU octa-core max 1.80 GHz, and RAM 4 GB, because this Xiaomi mobile model name is Redmi Note 5 Pro, and for this model RAM is 4 GB and internal storage is 64 GB. Baseband version, kernel version, and status, your phone number, blah blah blah, contributors, legal information, important safety information, verification. Okay, let's go back to another settings. System apps updater. If there is any update, you will see here. And security status, find device, you must have to keep it on. And always for Xiaomi mobile users, always you have to keep an eye on this thing, storage. Go to storage, and in here you will find non-system storage and system storage and your SD card. So don't need to touch anything else rather than this cached data. Here you see 106.30 MB cached data. This is unnecessary files here. So what you have to do is just click here, and this will clear cache data. You have to clear it out. Okay. The cache data is a space killer, and after deleting, now again recalculating, 46 MB is okay, no problem. Then go back from here, and battery and performance, battery uses, battery saver, try to keep it on, battery saver, and turn off on just 60%, keep it on, no problem. Battery use, which apps are using battery, here you get a list. So from here you can force stop. Here you see force stop. I just force stopped this Facebook application for an example. Anyway, now going back to another thing is important thing is analyze battery issues. This thing, close apps consuming excessive power. Just before I closed this application, okay, I'm closing it and resolved one battery issue, no problem, everything is fine. Then analyze battery uses. Now go back from here. What about additional settings? No need to touch it, anything from here. Synchronize. What most people avoid this thing, and they complain that there are battery issues. To fix this, to fix your battery issues or battery charge remaining very high, you have to keep it close. Auto synchronize data. Unnecessary. This is necessary just after 2 or 3 days. You can keep it on. No need to keep it on 24 hours or always. Just try to keep it off. Otherwise, your battery will remain. Battery drain very quickly. Okay. Then go back from here, synchronize. Nothing new. Other thing is very easy and simple. Well, and there is an app for Xiaomi mobile phone users, that's called MIUP. MIUP. This app download link you will get in my video description. In this app you will find one thing that is called hidden settings. Downloads the root checker. You can check your phone whether it is rooted or not. Here it says your Redmi Note 5 is not rooted, so my phone is not rooted. Originally version official version is okay, no need to root now. And device trace is not available for this mobile. Find device status.